Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I use my YouTrip card to pay for things online? The answer is yes. You can use your YouTrip card to pay for things online just like you would use a regular credit card. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. What is YouTrip? Before we get into the details of using your YouTrip card for online payments, let's take a quick look at what YouTrip is. YouTrip is a prepaid travel card that allows you to spend money in foreign currencies. You can use your YouTrip card to make purchases online, in stores, and at ATMs. How to use your YouTrip card for online payments? There are two ways to use your YouTrip card for online payments. Use your YouTrip card number and CVV. This is the same way that you would use any other credit card to make an online payment. Simply enter your YouTrip card number and CVV into the payment form. Use the YouTrip app. The YouTrip app allows you to make online payments using your YouTrip card without having to enter your card number and CVV. To do this, simply open the YouTrip app and select the Pay Online option. Then, enter the URL of the website you want to make a payment on. The YouTrip app will then generate a unique code that you can use to complete the payment. Important things to remember when using your YouTrip card for online payments. Make sure that the website you are using is secure. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar of your browser to ensure that the website is using SSL encryption. Be aware of the exchange rate. When you make an online payment using your YouTrip card, you will be charged in the currency of the merchant. This means that you will need to be aware of the exchange rate at the time of your purchase. Check your transaction history regularly. You can check your transaction history in the YouTrip app or online. This will help you to keep track of your spending and ensure that all of your transactions are correct. Here are some additional tips for using your YouTrip card for online payments. Use a VPN. A VPN can help to protect your privacy and security when you are making online payments. Be careful when entering your card information. Never share your card number or CVV with anyone. Monitor your account for suspicious activity. If you see any unauthorized charges on your account, contact YouTrip immediately. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.